I will talk about how can you set alert for them on your Amazon Alexa app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. Then you come to this list here. So then all you have to do, just click here on notifications, click on it here, come to this list here. So then all you have to do, just go down here, then you click here on reminders, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just waiting to open video like this. Click here on set alert volume, click on it here, click here in this sign, and here can you link alert device here in this list, like you see here on your Amazon Alexa app. Here can you select. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.